on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
What up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, taking on the AUDIOZONE. I want to thank you guys for watching, the support you guys are giving this channel, man. Got another different build for you guys, man. It's kind of the same thing, but with a little twist, man. Make it a little bit different. We got a car that came in. We actually saw him, met him, went out to a car meet with him, and we have some great ideas for this car. So I'm gonna introduce you to him. And this right here, man. Tell everybody what's your name, where you're from, and why you're here today.
My name is Kareem. I'm from New York by way of Atlanta. Met Jay a few weeks ago. Like his vision, like his ideas. Love his prices.
Oh, we doubling up now.
Yeah, ain't nobody else gonna touch this car but them.
Oh, we 100%.
Appreciate everything he does for me. And
so you know what? When we got this, talk about your car, man. Tell them about your build. This is your, what year is she? What have you done to her? How long you've had it? Tell us about your build here.
I ordered it in 18, the end of 18. It came back a few months in. I think I got it February of 19. It's a 2019 RT. I've done a lot of under the hood, cold air, all type of stuff. Wheels, Lamborghini doors.
So that's your side chick.
This is my girl.
That's your girl, right there. Okay.
She's not even a side chick.
She's your main girl. Your wife's the side chick. She's the main. Yeah, I can't do that. My wife, I'm Puerto Rican. My wife would kill me, man. Tell us about your setup. You got those wheels in it. Look great. Show us your doors, man. Show us what you got going on here.
Oh shit. Look inside. You got the key.
I already unlocked it for you, brother. And the doors go up. So it's actually, I'm gonna tell you my true opinion. I love them more on the Challengers than I do on the Chargers, because in reality, if you drop this window down, you got frameless. There is no frame up here. So it actually looks like it's butterflied out, and I do like that look. I really do, man. I thought about doing it to mine, but since I raced my car, all the twisting, I don't know about it, man. But this baby girl actually looks very, very good, man. My other question to you is gonna be, I'm probably gonna end up trying to fix that for you too. I'll put that off the camera. I'll show you why. But long story short, we're gonna do edit. Okay, so now coming back here, man. He brought it in today. He decided that he wants to go, that he wanted to come by and get a, so he decided to come by the shop and he wanted to get a wide body done. We said, okay, cool, we do them a lot. I can't even tell you how many wide body got done. I don't know, I've lost count a long time ago. But here goes the point, guys. He brought it in, we're gonna do a wide body, but we're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm not gonna disclose it in the beginning of this video. I want them to just trust the process and follow through. But there's not another wide body that's out there that I've seen or you've seen or anybody's seen that could be just like his. The reason is we got a special touch that makes it different from everybody else's. So I can't wait to see it. I'm kind of excited. It's a different idea. It's a little bit on the border of craziness, but a little bit of sane. So kind of like in and then sane at the same time. But I can only tell you that I think it'll look phenomenal. I think when the vision comes together and we see the car completed with the way that the car has to set up today, we'll be able to accomplish a great thing. So what does he want to accomplish once you got the wide body in the car?
Get it down to Wham and have a good time.
He wants to go to Wham. So if y'all don't know what Wham is a big event here in Texas. I might get a booth. I don't know. I'm still in the fences as of today. They wrote out to me and I'm thinking about doing it. But it's called We Are Mopar, one of the biggest Mopar shows around, period. I'm working the details out. I might take it. I don't know. We're negotiating. But you know what I'm saying? It's one of the biggest events for Mopars anywhere. It's called We Are Mopar or Wham. That's definitely everybody gonna be out there. So I can guarantee if you own a Mopar, HELLCAT Enforcer's coming in. Like all these cars are coming in from across the country, and I know it could be a great event. Demonology gonna be out there this year. Boosted. I don't know if he's gonna make it. And we're also thinking about going to Texas 2K. But that's the dilemma. Texas 2K is in Houston.
Sure is.
So that's the dilemma. That's why I'm debating either I'll go out to Texas 2K and go have fun with the Viper racing and having fun, or go to Wham and I don't know. But we'll see. I'll let y'all know where I'm gonna come into, y'all. So right now, this is what it comes to. We got this car in. I'm about to start putting our hands in it. Start doing what we have to do. This is your results today. I can't wait to see your face. So get ready to see your baby transform. I'm only gonna tell you that you got a nice white girl.
I know.
But now you're gonna have a white girl with some hips, and we can't say the other thing on camera. But she's gonna be thick.
She's gonna be mixed.
She's gonna be mixed. She could be mixed.
Yeah.
But we get done with it, I can guarantee it could be something I'm gonna be proud of. You're gonna be proud of, and that's all that matters, y'all. So stay tuned. On the next part of the video, we'll start doing the tear down, preparations of what we're doing, what the concept is, what the ideas are, and start getting his dream to become reality. Stay tuned.
Bring your car.
What up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE. Want to thank the Cruz crew for coming up in the building and watching this channel today and giving us the support. honestly, can't tell you how much of a blessing it is, man. Today we have another wide body, and I know y'all seen a ton of wide bodies, but before you skip forward, let me tell you what makes this one different. We're not going with our standard install. We're not doing a standard color. This is gonna be something unique, off the walls, different from everything else you've ever seen. This car belongs to New York, like you've seen on this video. We're doing so. This beautiful car he has here, which he really has a beautiful car. He has silver wheels on it with the chrome lip. He has a silver accent on the vehicle here, and of course he has the Lambo door, which is the vertical doors that you can see here. So with this being done, he wanted to on the build, and we decided to come up with a concept like as you see here. He says, Jeff, why don't we make it a little bit different? I said, well, we went back and forth with some ideas, and we came up with this. So being that this car has a gray, I decided to match it with a gray wrap. But now the thing about this gray is actually a ghost, so it kind of looks dark, but it turns time that it looks white. As you can see in the glare here, it kind of almost invisibles into the car. You can't really see it. That's the concept one on the side. So now we're going to install the gray wide body, something to make it out to. I'm about to hand it off to technicians, have them start doing their builds, start putting it together, and see what the results are at the end. Stay tuned. But we got a special visit today, guys. We got King Tony Snow up in the building, man. How many of y'all miss him on the channel, man? Blow up his Instagram, King Tony Snow, and tell him we miss seeing you on the videos. Not only is he funny looking, but he's a funny dude on his own. What are you doing here with your glasses here, sir? You look like CHP, California Highway Patrol. But anyway, y'all, we got this going here. I'm gonna have the technicians jump on this build. They're gonna start doing the cutting and the preparations and getting everything situated, and hopefully we'll get this done. Hey, crew, so at this point in time, I'm gonna give you an update what's going on. Do all the cutting and opening, and that allows the wheel travel, because you can see them doing the modifications on that one right there. You can see them doing them right here. I know that some people complain like, oh my God, I don't want to see the car cut. But bro, sometimes you gotta do it, and you can see that they're already getting everything situated and mounted. But this is kind of what it comes through.
Do we have an extra?
And that's right there, y'all. So on the finale of the beautiful car from New York, man, we got it situated, a little understanding of what's going on, like I told y'all. So the concept was the gray that's almost a ghost in the white. We did the same thing with the flare. So it is the same thing, but according to how you can see the colors hit, you can see how much it glows or how much white it becomes by the angle. But we got the wide body kit to be exactly what he wanted. So we did a gray accents. We upgraded the custom LEDs in the side, wheel spacers to make them come out here. We did the same thing here. Wheel spacers, custom LED lights, and in my opinion, the car looks fabulous. I'm gonna take it out to the sun so you can see what I'm talking about, the gray, so we can get this car out and delivered to Mr. New York. And I think he's gonna be happy. It could be something totally different. But meanwhile that was going on, we got something very special in the building. My good friend, he's on the camera, sorry sir. Everybody hiding the camera.
What's this?
He came by to show something.
I ain't come by the show, now I came by the holler.
Yeah, I know, but at the same time, you showing something.
Oh.
And that's it right there, y'all. That's the original. That's the AUDIOZONE 2.0 in reality, man. He got the wide body molded, and he just killed the game. Like, in my opinion, damn, he's going out to the show tonight, and he's gonna definitely be winning something, because this car is just ridiculously beautiful. The color's amazing, the wheel combo. Man, Brent, you killed this off the water. I don't know, y'all need to comment, man. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, but definitely get on Billionaire Brent, man, on Instagram. AUDIOZONE, custom by AUDIOZONE. But he killed this car, man. That wrap really killed that. Even though I didn't get to wrap it, I'm still not mad. He's still family either way. But boy, Brent, you killed it, man. Give him that share over there and that like over there, man. Damn, the car looks, not everybody can put things together. You did. Congrats. You are busting. You are busting it today. You are busting it today. In fact, I'm gonna sell the Viper by another damn car. Nice. But I am gonna wrap it. Yeah, I am. But y'all, we're gonna go now and get this car rebuilt to Mr. New York, so he can pick up his build and get his results, man. Stay tuned. So this is Mr. New York. You met him in the beginning of the video. Now he's at the end of the video. He gets to pick up his vehicle. It's been a pleasure and honor, man. It's been a journey, but definitely it's something that we're gonna get our hands on to do a lot of other things to his car, because this is just the beginning of the journey. With our privilege here at AUDIOZONE to be able to do that for you. So I got Pop driving your car around. We went with a different concept, New York. We went with something that's is out of the box. Everybody has regular wide body and so on. I'm gonna show you another one we built back there now. We did a molded kit, it's actually there, but we're gonna rebuild yours today. So yours, we did the gray offsetting of the stripes you had in the car. Right. Going with the chrome and the silver that you have on your wheels. We're about to see what the results are of your face as you get to see your car for the first time. See it. All right, well, let's stay tuned. Let's see when the car comes through. All right, let's come over here, New York, and let's take a look at your girl as she comes around the building. So that's your girl. She's thick now.
Yeah, boy.
In fact, I'm gonna switch them up. Pop driving the car, talking about he buy a Hellcat when he's a GM, man. But that's the car for New York. So New York, let me go to, what is your real name, champion?
Kareem. Kareem,
what is your Instagram?
What is it? RT. Look on the back window.
Okay. He don't even know, but look, it is going to be RT_ Widebody RT. Boy, you already got the Widebody on the. Damn, boy. There you go. That's your baby. We went with something off according to what the sun hits. It's a dead on. So my question is, what is your opinion about your car?
100.
Happy?
More than happy.
Satisfied?
More than satisfied.
I can't wait to bring it back. I got a lot of ideas for this car. We're gonna do some other stuff to bring more of this concept together. His is gonna be very unique, man. But I'm gonna end this video today telling y'all thank y'all for watching, man. Thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.